Alright, morning. Once again, we've come out to get breakfast, and the pancake roti place is nowhere to be seen. Neither of them. We found two, but yeah, neither of them here. And I don't really know where else there is to get breakfast apart from our hostel, so yeah, we're probably going to end up back there again. Yay! Went for a wander and found all. So, happy days. Alright, so because Phuket is nice and average, we're used to having a nice hipster cafe to sit in every morning for breakfast, but unfortunately here we've had to, yeah, like I said, have roti from a little street vendor, and then we've gone to 7-Eleven to get coffee, because it's the only place that you don't have to pay a fortune for it, so yeah! Alright, I've got my swimming trunks on, but I realised one thing I need. Flip-flops. Genius, managed to get some flip-flops down from 300 baht to 200. Skadish. Ready for the beach. Flip-flops, swimsuits. Got a bowl and everything. Just kicking the pigeons out the way. And down to that lovely sea. Look at that. Just lovely. Because I didn't record anything at the beaches, that's it. Right, I'm kind of beached out, to be honest. I only spent like an hour or so there, but I'm not a big beach fan, to be honest. But unless there's stuff to do, whereas there is sunbathing and swimming in an unnecessarily choppy sea. So I'm just going to head and grab a cheap little drink from a mart, and then find out about boats to go to Koh Phi Phi tomorrow. Again, back here again. I think I prefer it at the beach. I've got a comfy beanbag to sit on, no sand up my bum and in my toes and in my mouth. Had a cheeky little shower, so I've got that horrible salty feeling off my face. I don't like it. And I can still get a pretty decent view of the sea, so I like it like this. Furthest to a beach. By a long one. Did need to go find Jack at some point, but probably still down the way. Oh dear. Sorry, Ben. Mad and thought I should probably go get Jack. I know that I'm done beaching already for the day. Alright, just done nothing for the past couple of hours. Been interneting, sorting out visa for New Zealand, looking into getting a new driving license sent to home, because I lost mine. And sorting out money and stuff, looking at flights to Bali, all that sort of jazz. So the sun's setting over the beach at the moment and it's a relatively clear night, so hopefully it's going to look quite good. I'm to the beach to watch a sunset, which is getting there. Hopefully it'll be quite good in a minute, although it looks better with sunglasses on, as Jack just pointed out to me, which is quite funny. Very zoomed in, Jesus. Okay, sadly the sunset was a little bit disappointing. However, the sky is very pretty. So, yeah, we'll stand here for a little bit longer, take some more snazzy photos, which I might add in now. Just had a cuddle with a lemur. Sadly, had to give money to take photos, but yeah, it's over there. A bit random, but quite cool. We are done looking at the sunset, which is all gone now. We may be back out here later to see if there's any stars about, take some pictures of that. And yeah, we're now going to go back and download some photos and then go get some did-dids. Yay! Pictures and things all downloaded, so we're now going to go get some food. Brought my camera with me and forgot to record my food. There you go. Noodle soup. Cheap. Good. Alright, once again, back at the hostel. No surprise there. Finished dinner. Now we're going to edit together the rest of today's vlog. And then we're going to watch a film. And then I'm going to upload. Yes, it is. good, but I got hungry, so I went to a 7-Eleven and got a toasty. Why not? Alright, all I did after that was sleep, so you didn't miss much. And as you can tell, I'm now somewhere else. Find out on tomorrow's vlog. Goodbye.